Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Bev here. Took two trades today. Unfortunately, I'm down 750 barros on the day. First loss was minus 250. Second one, I was more confident in it, so I took it full size with $500. Both of them ended up getting fucking clapped harder than fucking than prime Lana Rhodes, I should say. So without any further ado, let's hop into the analysis. So on the higher time frame on the daily, we had this SMT with the sweep of this previous day high. Left this as a breakaway gap, and clearly the obvious draw will just be this low right here. So I was bearish coming to the day. Same thing right here on the 4-hour. Bearish structure being respected, bullish gaps being violated. We have this change in state of delivery, and we have this unfilled gap. Obviously, I want to go into here, followed by the gap. So scaling onto the 15-minute, if we go ahead and just replay that real quick. So right here, we had a 15-minute gap that broke structure. So pretty much I want to see price go into there, and then, see an instant reaction to the downside. That would have been our bread and butter setup. So right here, if we go ahead and go back down to the 1 minute, and just skip it right here. So this is where we actually end up getting our setup. So we end up getting a sweep right here of this buy side. So you got the sweep of buy side into the 15-minute gap. If I could just go ahead and find the liquidity. So we got the sweep of buy side into the 15-minute gap inside this 1-minute gap as well. We ended up putting this SMT with ES, and then we got a fast change in state of delivery to the downside out of this 15-minute gap. So from there, ended up entering on the CISD limit, and as you can see here, shit got fucking blacked immediately. So at that point, just wanted to see what the market was going to do. So if we go ahead and fast forward to 10:15. So if we fast forward to 10:15, we could see we ended up violating that 15-minute gap. So at this point, ended up flipping my narrative to bullish just for the simple fact that we failed to meet the consequent encroachment of the NWOG, and we also flipped this 15-minute gap. So at the very least, I want to see price come into this high, and we also had an unfilled hourly imbalance right here, as well as being under both the opening prices. So as you can see, this clearly didn't work either. So if you go ahead and just get this back here on track. So as you can see here, we ended up getting a sweep of sell side right here, small little sell side. We ended up getting huge displacement to the upside. We broke structure right here. Very, very good trade, So right here, if I would have entered market, I would have had really bad risk rewards. I was forced to enter on a limit on MNQ. So we had this 1-minute gap that broke structure, as well as this one as well. So basically what I did was I ran the fib from here to here. So we had this one that was more discounted. So basically set my limit on this discounted 1-minute gap, and my target was going to be the 1-hour unfilled gap above. But as you can see, unfortunately, we come back in, it taps us, we tinker around for a bit, and then it immediately gets blacked like prime Lana Rose, unfortunately. So yeah, went straight to both trades, went straight to fucking stop loss. Honestly, I'm not too sure what I could have done better here. But I can really just take away from it is just the fact that we came into this order block and then sold off, and see if there's anything else. Nope, doesn't seem like there's anything else. But unfortunately, it's just one of those days where, in my opinion, they were both A+ setups for, both shorts and longs. Unfortunately, it just didn't play out the way I wanted it to. But we're not gonna let that shit fucking stop us. Tomorrow we'll come in with a fucking vengeance. I want to take a fucking W. So far on the week, we're 1 for 2, so 1 win, 2 losses. Unfortunately, we are down on the account. We're down 750 bucks on the account. That's honestly not too bad. I've been through worse. I've brought back accounts from damn near $250 left of drawdown. So tomorrow we're gonna get back to it. We lost that round, but it's not over yet. We get ready for the next one.